What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Jazmine Tania. By the title of this video, y'all know what I'm doing. And before we get into this video, make sure you like it, because why not? You're here. Thank you, by the way. But make sure y'all comment down below if y'all got this already or y'all planning on getting it. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it will be somewhere in the screen right now. I'll wait if you want to follow me. But yeah, so let's get into the video. I know y'all came for this, so let's get into it. I'm not gonna lie, yeah, I already opened it and whatnot. I kind of put it back in the box so y'all can be like, ah, or whatnot. But I'm about to just open it and I'm gonna give y'all a review on it, because I actually had this for a while. But yeah, and it's the case unboxing too, period. But yeah, because the case I got on it now, I don't know, I think I got the wrong one. I know I got the wrong one. But let's get into it for real. Okay, so it came in this box, and it's the Apple right there. It says MacBook right there. Apple. Here it goes. I'm about to open it. Whoa. Okay, this is the case that I have on there, but I'm about to change that as well. And I'm also going to give you guys a review on this whole thing. And yes, this has the touch panel as well, and a fingerprint. These stickers are different, they gray. The other one's usually white, but this one is gray. But this is the charger. It's similar to the iPhone 11 Pro Max charger, but it's not the same charger, it's just similar. Now before I get into the specs, I am going to unbox that case and put it on and show y'all, and then after that I will show y'all the details and stuff or whatever that I have on here. This is the case that I have. I thought it would look like, I don't know, maybe it looked different when it's on there, but as in the packaging, I don't think I would like it. But how do I open this? This junk's sealed tight. I don't know where to cut it at to start peeling. Yeah. Come on, bro. I'm about to put it on and show y'all what it look like. Okay? Hold on. If anybody was wondering, this is what it looks like. It's actually really cute in person. It's like a matte gray, if that makes sense. But I'm about to put the case on there, and then after that I'm gonna show y'all the specs of it, everything. I'm not gonna miss nothing. And yeah. Oh, and it's lighter for some reason. I got a Mac. I got my old Mac still, and that Mac is heavier than this. This one is super light, so yeah, it's easy to carry around or whatever with one hand or whatever. But yeah, I'm about to put the case on, and I'm about to show y'all. This is what the case looks like. I like it, actually. This is what it looks like. This is the case. It actually matched my nails. That's funny. It's like a matte color. Yeah, but this is my screen. Now I'm about to take it off the ring light and show y'all everything. So I'm about to take it off the ring light and I'm about to show y'all everything, like zoom in and everything. So yeah, if you made it this far, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video, make sure you comment down below. If you want any of the cases I got, they will be down below, and the links that will be down below. So yeah, let's get into it, the specs. Alright y'all, so this is my wallpaper. I don't want y'all to know my last name. But yeah, okay. This is the touch screen down below right there. Unlock with Touch ID. This has gotten bigger and way better, the little pad. But I'm about to unlock it. Okay, this is my wallpaper. I have a folder that says YouTube. But I'm gonna just show y'all the little specs. I got Final Cut Pro, as y'all can see right there. iMovie right there. I'm about to hop into the text messages and show y'all what popped up on this. Okay. Alright, you press the smiley face. And look. All the emojis pop up. You can pick which one you want. It don't matter. Those are my recently used. But yeah. Let's get into it. They got all of them. They got all of them. It don't matter. But yeah. The camera is bomb. I'm about to show y'all. I look crusty, but I'm about to show y'all. Okay. Okay. It's not called camera. It's called photo booth. I look kind of crusty, but let me show y'all. Make it big. But yeah, the camera not that bad. It's a step up to everything else that they used to have. But show y'all the effects though right now. Okay. They got me looking crusty. But oh my goodness. The bug out on this one got me looking crazy. Alright. This is the normal. And I don't understand. No. No. This give me like 2012 vibes. Cause like what? But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all my Safari real quick. Okay. So y'all see how that's pink? I forgot how I did that, but I did it. You go into the settings or something. You can change it to any color you want it to be. Yeah. Oh, I thought I typed in YouTube. I did not. And it matched my case. Okay. This is my case. If y'all like it, I'm gonna leave the link down below. It kind of matched my nails. It's like a marble pink. It's like white and marble. I mean, it's like white and pink, but it's marble. This is the back. Clear. And that matches my home screen. I'm about to put this screen protector on, but if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, join the gang, period, and thanks for watching. If you like this case, let me know, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.